Good morning, children. I hope you well and good. In the last class, we have seen different sciences. So we learned different scientific name of studies. So in this lesson, we are going to learn different disease names. We are going to learn different disease names and their symptoms. How we got that particular disease and what are the symptoms for the particular disease. Let's we go for the lessons. Lesson 41, different disease. Okay, identify disease. Now we are going to identify the disease names. They are giving, okay, in your book they given symptoms for the disease, how we are getting. Okay, so for that symptoms we are going to identify the disease names. Let's go for the lesson. Page number 57. So the first one is, this disease is caused by the fungal infection of skin in humans and domestic animals. So this particular disease, human skins, particularly we are having this infection that in fungal, that means in dot black, sometimes we are having itching or small bubbles like that in our skins, it comes, no? So that is that fungal infection. Because of that only we are getting that disease. So not only for us, the domestic animals also have this type of disease. So now we are going to learn that disease name. What is that? Okay, ringworm. The disease name is ringworm. So this disease is caused by the fungal infection. This disease is caused by the fungal infection of skin of human being and domestic animals. So that causes name is ringworm. So second one is, first disease name is ringworm and second one is, this disease is transmitted by mad dogs. So how we are getting? From the mad dogs. Okay, we are getting this disease. Early stage symptoms of this disease are headache. So if we are having this particular disease, means first symptoms we are having headache. First symptoms we are having headache and early stage symptoms of this disease are headache and fever. So this is the first we are having these two symptoms. One is headache and another one is fever. Okay, one is headache and another one is fever. So now rabies. The disease name is rabies. If we are having rabies disease, means first we are having headache and after that we are getting fever also. So how we are getting this particular disease, means because of the mad dogs. If the mad dogs bite you or something, okay, if they're biting you, then we are getting first headache and fever. So first ringworm, the disease name is, first disease name is ringworm and second one is rabies. Now we are going to learn third disease name. It is a parasitic disease of humans and other animals. So this is for humans also and other animals, either domestic or wild animals. It is transmitted by the testis fly. It is estimated that 50,000 to 70,000 people are currently infected with this disease. So how we are getting this disease, means transmitted by the testis fly. So that fly, one insect name is, that is testis fly. From this insect we are getting the disease. So it up to 50,000 people to 70,000 people having this disease. So now the disease name is sleeping sickness. So sleeping sickness, this disease we are getting from the tsetse fly insect. Okay, so first one is ringworm, second disease rabies, and third sleeping sickness, and fourth one is it is an infection of small intestine. Its main symptoms are watery, diarrhea and vomiting. It is transmitted through flies and contaminated food and water. So this type of disease we are getting from the water. If the water is not clean, so mosquitoes are sitting or some small insect we can see in the waters. If the dirty waters, the water is stayed in long time, okay, so that water we can see this type of insect. So from these waters only we are getting the fever, and that disease is cholera fever we are having now. So because of this only we are getting this disease. And fifth one is it is a mosquito borne disease of humans and animals. It is transmitted by the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. The particular mosquito name is Anopheles. From that mosquito only we are getting this fever, that is malaria fever. It is mosquito borne disease of humans and animals. It is transmitted by the bite of an infected Anopheles mosquito. And sixth one is this disease is transmitted by the bite of certain species of sandfly. The symptoms of this disease are skin sores which erupt weeks to a month after the person affected is bitten by sandfly. So this disease name is Kala Azar. So how we are getting means from the sandfly. The insect name is sandfly. If the sandfly is biting us, okay, then we are getting Kala Azar, the disease. The symptom is, okay, skin sores which erupt weeks to a month after the person is affected. So if the insect bites us, we are not getting suddenly. That symptoms we will see after 1 week or 1 month or 2 weeks. After that only we come to know, okay, whether we are having Kala Azar or not. And seventh one is it is also known as breakdown fever. It is also known as breakdown fever. It is primarily transmitted by Aedes mosquito. Its name is dengue fever. We know no dengue fever. Once it was famous in the world. Many people are having dengue fever and we are afraid those are having dengue fever. It is dangerous one. So many disease we are getting from the mosquito, and cholera fever, malaria fever and dengue fever, and many disease we are getting from the mosquito. And find out. Name 3 natural and easily available things used to cure dengue fever. So now if we are having dengue fever, we are come to know the symptoms of dengue fever. Then what we have to do? In nature, how do we cure ourselves? So first one is Gloid juice. First one is Gloid juice we have to drink, or papaya leaf juice we have to drink, or one more choice, that is fresh guava juice. Either we have to drink Gloid juice or papaya leaf juice or fresh guava juice. If we are drinking continuously this juice, then we will cure from the dengue fever. And did you know, according to a new study from researchers at City University London, one of the leading causes of blindness worldwide could be detected by how our eyes respond to watching TV. So now in University of London, they are researching if you are watching TV or laptop or mobile, okay, how our eyes are responding to watch television or laptop or mobile. That the researchers are doing researching of this. So we are learning 7 disease names and how we are getting the symptoms of the 7 disease. Okay, so be aware of that. If we are having the symptoms like this disease, okay, immediately we have to consult our doctors. I hope you understand this lesson and learn well the disease names. Thank you and have a nice day.